Okay, very good morning, students. We are going to discuss chapter number 9, percentage in the applications from book CPA, page number 130, exercise 9.3. Okay, actually we have done the first questions, increase percentage. So now we will do question number 2, decrease percentage. Okay. So first of all, the formulas we have is decrease. It's a decrease formula, decrease original value is minus decreased value. Okay, decrease and decreased values are different. Okay, बच्चे. Then percentage decrease is formula is decrease upon original value multiplied 100%. Okay, so now come on the question number 2, part A. Okay, so we have original value in the short form. OV means original value. We have original value is 36 kg. Okay, so decreased value, not decreased, decreased value is 30 kg. Okay, so we will find only decrease, okay, and decrease percentage is a question mark. Okay, so now first of all, formula of decrease is original value minus decreased value. Original value minus decreased value. Okay, that is the short form. We can write original value is 36 kg minus decreased value is 30 kg. Then we have only decreases 6 kg. Okay, so now percentage decrease, the formula is decrease upon original value multiplied 100%. Okay, so now decrease, we have decrease is 6 kg. Okay, upon original value is 36 kg multiply 100%. Here is 616, 66 is 66. Okay, so cancel 3, 15. Okay, anything else? Then we have 50.3%. We can into simplest form also. So this is the answer. Okay, बच्चे, this is the formula of decrease. Original value minus decreased value. Percentage decrease upon original value multiply 100%. Okay, just put the values, then you will get answer. Now question number C. C part is different. If we have original value is 80 km. Decreased value is nothing. Decrease is also nothing. But percentage decrease. Okay, so let's check. we have no decrease value, no decrease, but we have already percentage decrease. It means firstly we will apply the formulas of percentage decrease, okay, because we have two values already. So now what is the formula of percentage decrease? Now is decrease upon original value multiply 100%. So put the values. Here is PD means percentage decrease, we have 90%. Decrease, we have no value of decrease. Original value we have 80 km. Multiply 100%. Okay, बच्चे. So now solve this. Okay, बच्चे. Now solve the questions. Okay, students. So now we will need only decrease value. Then firstly is decrease. Okay, it means multiply 100 upon 80. Okay, is equal to 90%. So now decrease. Now this term in right side then it will be in the reciprocal. Is 90% multiplied 80 upon 100. Okay, then solve it. Cancel. Okay, बच्चे. Then solve करो. You will get the answer. Is 4, here is 5, is 9. 10 multiplied 4.5 is 946. Now this is the answer. Okay, then come on the first decrease, put the value, then we will get decreased value. Okay, I hope you have understood. Simply means firstly we will check how many values, what values we have. Then we will convert into other values. Just put the values in these formulas. That's it. Okay, so I hope you have understood the second questions also. Thank you. Have a nice day.